Hello, dear champions, my dear students. Time management and smart planning reduce stress. Yes, we are preparing for exams. Time is our biggest asset during exams. If we plan wisely, we can reduce stress and boost our confidence. Let's plan our day. Create a simple timetable. Allocate time for each subject, including revision and breaks. Prioritize important topics. Focus on high weightage topics first, then move to the rest. Use the Pomodoro technique. Means study for 25 to 30 minutes, then take a 5-minute small break to refresh your mind. Stick to your schedule and trust your presentation. Limit distractions like phone, TV, etc. Smart planning today leads to a stress free tomorrow. Stay focused, manage your time well, and success will follow you. All the best.